So hi everyone, welcome to Geekia here once again. So this time we have this ORICO clear case hard disk cover. So this I've bought for my Kingston 2.5-inch hard drive. So this is an internal hard drive for a laptop. So this, as you can see, comes with a warranty statement, and so you have a browser which you want to read, how to use it, how to connect it. All these reasons are there, and that's a proprietary cable which goes into the device, and this has a 3.0 USB, so that can be connected. So that's the clear case, and I have my SATA Kingston already there on the connected. So as you can see, you can just slide it out and place the King SATA inside and close it. So that's how it works. So it is clear case, so you can see whatever is inside. So only problem which I see is a proprietary cable. So if you break it, then again you have to go buy a new one to make it work. So that's one stuff. So I'll show you how it boots on my system. So I have loaded ubuntu on this, and so I have installed it on this hard drive. So as you can see, when it reads, it shows blue color, and sorry, when it's on it shows blue color, and when it reads it flashes red. So as you can see, it's loading on my SL laptop. So this is a budget laptop which is for around 18,000. So as you can see, the bootloader screen will come up right now. I've selected already Ubuntu, and as you can see, it takes very less time to load because it's an SSD, and it is working flawlessly. So the boot time is less than 8 to 10 seconds, and the shutdown timings I'm getting around 5 or 6 seconds. So it is very fast. I don't have any problem in connecting it, and it's working really good. So if you want to have another OS built in, so you externally you can do this. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.